Cardano value equivalent to 83 and 84 rands a coin. The present cost range 8,139 853. The earlier day close 517. The change was 0.133 to 16%. Reverse rate ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 423 rands. Excessive cost 525, while low cost 423. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 466. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 491. Change for September 16, 1%. Cardano figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 491 rands. Excessive cost 491, while low cost 389. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 447. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 418. Change for October 14, 9%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 418 rands. Excessive cost 519, while low cost 418. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 460. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 485. Change for November 16%. Cardano figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 485 rands. Exorbitant cost 602, while low cost 485. They found the middle value of cost 534. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 563. Change for December 16, 1%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 563 rands. Exorbitant cost 685, while low cost 563. They found the middle value of cost 613. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 640. Change for January 13, 7%. Cardano conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 640 rands. Excessive cost 683, while low cost 593. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 639. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 638. Change for February 3%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at 638 rands. Excessive cost 638, while low cost 523. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 590. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 562. Change for spring 11.9%. Cardano estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 562 rands. Exorbitant cost 612, while low cost 532. They found the middle value of cost 570. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 572. Change for April 18%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 572 rands. Excessive cost 622, while low cost 540. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 579. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 581. Change for May 6%. Cardano estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 581 rands. Exorbitant cost 635, while low cost 551. They found the middle value of cost 590. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 593. Change for June 1%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 593 rands. Exorbitant cost 647, while low cost 563. They found the middle value of cost 602. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 605. Change for July 2%. Cardano estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 605 rands. Exorbitant cost 715, while low cost 605. They found the middle value of cost 648. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 668. Change for August 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 668 rands. Excessive cost 679, while low cost 591. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 643. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 635. Change for September 4.9%. Cardano conjecture for October 2025. Before all else cost at 635 rands. Excessive cost 789, while low cost 635. They found the middle value of cost 699. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 737. Change for October 16, 1%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at 737 rands. Exorbitant cost 801, while low cost 697. They found the middle value of cost 746. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 749. Change for November 16%. Cardano gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 749 rands. Excessive cost 814, while low cost 708. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 758. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 761. Change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 761 rands. Excessive cost 767, while low cost 667. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 718. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 717. Change for January 58%. Cardano figure for February 2026. Before all else cost at 717 rands. Excessive cost 794, while low cost 690. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 736. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 742. Change for February 35%. Cardano cost expectation for Warp 2026. At the outset cost at 742 rands. Excessive cost 742, while low cost 614. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 690. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 660. Change for spring 1%. Cardano conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 660 rands. Excessive cost 810, while low cost 660. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 722. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 757. Change for April 7%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 757 rands. Exorbitant cost 823, while low cost 715. They found the middle value of cost 766. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 769. Change for May 16%. Cardano conjecture for June 2026. Before all else cost at 769 rands. Excessive cost 836, while low cost 726. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 778. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 781. Change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2026. Before all else cost at 781 rands. Exorbitant cost 849, while low cost 737. They found the middle value of cost 790. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 793. Change for July 15%. Cardano gauge for August 2026. In the first place cost at 793 rands. Exorbitant cost 943, while low cost 793. They found the middle value of cost 853. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 881. Change for August 1%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2026. Before all else cost at 881 rands.